What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently, we're up 5% on the day. We're breaking major levels of resistance, which is great. Exactly what we want to see. We're seeing a market cap of 13.23 billion. 24-hour volume, 832 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. Come all the way up to our break even, which is absolutely incredible. We had 5 entries with our break even sitting at 172. So we're about to make some juicy profits. As you can see here, we broke out. We had a bear trap. So if you are kind of watching this pattern here, we are in a technical target all the way up to about $2.09. We are trending towards overbought and the money flow is through the roof. So I would expect some pullback, consolidation, or some pullback. I do think pullback is a little bit more likely here, would be healthy. Now, if we do pull back, I will drop in some levels of support. Of course, we have this previous swing high, which is coming in at about $1.66. Let me give it a little price tag here. And then this swing low as well could act as support, coming in at about $1.58. Oh, sorry, guys. So about $1.66 and $1.58 could definitely act as support. And then we have $1.50 as well. If we pop over to our next chart on the daily, it's looking really good, guys. We're starting to push above the previous high. I talked about us getting back above the golden ratio. Higher likelihood you come back up to where you started. You break above that, you hold it as support. You head up to the 1.272, coming in at about 182, the 1.618 coming in at about 197. With our Fibonacci pull from this swing high down to the swing low, we broke out of the falling wedge pattern and we broken out of this massive descending broadening wedge. So Matic is looking really strong. We also have this double bottom. I think I have another chart for that though. We are trending towards overbought. Do keep a close eye on that in the daily. As you can see here, we're quite overbought and we saw a move back down. So it would be healthy to see a bit of a move back down, see a back test of the EMAs. We come down here, the 55 EMA. We hold the 55 EMA as support, the 20 EMA. We have the bullish cross and we see a massive breakout back to the upside. If we hop over to our next chart, I have this Fibonacci pulled from the swing high back in February all the way down to the swing low. And we're currently testing the golden ratio coming in at 172. We have this double bottom pattern. We broke the neckline. So as long as we stay above the neckline, we are in a technical target all the way up to about $2.18. So if you are a breakout trader, just look for that back test, look for consolidation. You see the volume step in, then you can enter your trade and ride it all the way up to 218. Now, if we can hold above $1.72, which is the golden ratio, higher likelihood you come back up to where you started, you break above that, boom, you come up and you target the 1.272, $2.41, the 1.618 coming in at $2.87. So if we quickly look at Ethereum, we broke out of this symmetrical triangle. So we're in a technical target all the way up to 3784. You can see my Fibonacci pull from the previous swing high. We blasted through the 1.272 and we're heading up to our technical target of the 1.618 at 3468. Now we're quite overbought, so I would expect to see some pullback here for Ethereum. If we do come up to this level of resistance or even before, come back down, see some pullback, we could find support here at 3219. We could even come all the way back down to this swing high, would be perfectly healthy at 3041. If we pop over to our next chart on the daily, you can see 3041 is right around this level, 3044, and that's where the 20 EMA has crossed over the 55. We had the bullish cross. So if we do see that pullback and we hold the EMAs, that's what we want to see, a back test, and then you can see a massive breakout back to the upside for Ethereum. We are in a technical target from this double bottom up to about 3703. We broke out of this descending channel and we are in a technical target up to 4785. But of course, we have to watch for that dead cat bounce scenario. I do think if we were to go through that dead cat bounce, we would push up here to about, let me give it a little price tag, 4050. For our friend ETH. Now, another sign that we'll see some pullback is the long positions have completely dropped out and the short positions are exploding, absolutely exploding for ETH, which is an early indication of a move back down. The long positions, they're taking their profits, and the whales and the institutions are looking to short Ethereum and push the price back down, which would be perfectly healthy. We come back down to the, oh, sorry guys, we come back down to the EMAs. What the hell? Where are my EMAs? We come back down to the EMAs EMAs on the daily, we allowed the RSI to come back down into a healthy range, as well as the money flow. Look how high the money flow is. Let's see the last time we were this high on the money flow right here. We saw a massive move back down, so that is something to keep a close eye on. If we do come down, find support along the EMAs, that's exactly what we want to see, and we bounce back to the upside. If we were to lose the EMAs, I don't think it's a more likely scenario here, but if we were to lose the EMAs, we can come all the way back down to these lows, about 2518. I don't think that's a likely scenario just due to some signals on Bitcoin, but of course anything can happen. So with Matic here, if we can stay above this neckline from the double bottom of 166, you are in a technical target up to about $2.18. But in the short term, I do want to see some pullback here and find support along the EMAs. We could definitely pull back to about $1.62. If we were to lose the EMAs, your next strong level of support is about 154. If we do continue to push up here, do watch 182, the 1.272. But I would like to see some pullback. We're overbought and would be perfectly healthy for us to come back down to these levels of support here. We have about $1.66, $1.58. You can see support right here, resistance, support in this area, and then $1.50. That's basically it for Matic. I would expect some pullback. As I've been saying here, it would be healthy. So here's a good example. We broke out, we consolidated, a little bit of pullback, and then we saw continuation. Of course, anything can happen. As you can see here, you can push up and you just consolidate, and then you see continuation. That is always a possibility. So if we just consolidate, we push up, 182 is your next level of resistance, and take profit level. Let me see the next take profit level. Yeah, it's up here at about 190, which was our third entry. If we do push up to that level, I will look to take profit on our trade here with our DCA strategy, but we are overbought, and that is usually when you see some pullback. As you see here, overbought, and we saw some pullback right here as well. Overbought on the 4. Oh, this is the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour overbought pullback. You can see it on the 4-hour time frame as well. Yeah, we're overbought. We saw a little bit of pullback right here as well. We're overbought, a little bit of pullback. So just look for that pullback. Definitely could find support at about $1.66, and then your next level at 158. That's it for Matic. Shout out to the Discord. We have made a lot of juicy profits today. I've been posting them here in the Discord. If we look at the DCA charts, which are the live trades on the channel, we made profits on our XRP trade, 10% profit, 16% profit on VET. Let me see here, 11% profit on Mana, and ADA we made another 7%, and we had just made, I think, 11% the other day on ADA. So we've been making some juicy profits. If you want to join, it's the price of a coffee, $350 USD. You get access to the live trades as well as the DCA trade strategy fully explained, buy and take profit zones based off support, resistance, Fibonacci, as well as 1,800 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. You really can't beat it. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.